you're accustomed to bus and them type thing, you see, you know, on the camera you're talking to yourself. If I didn't walk in, people do. But I still do it. It's like, I don't give up. You know, I don't give a scunt. YouTube don't even know about the word. this is like a little cheat for Guyanese, you know. We could cuss up on one, but you understand? I didn't recognize that this real thing. So, welcome, Scott, everybody. You know, but we can get there when we get there. So. With it, you know. I was that on it. Keep you all updated before I fall over fucking board. All them grass and shit, but yeah. Going in town today. Well, not really town. Main Street. And we doing a photo shoot with the one and only Keith, Dr. Keith Khalif. Yeah, bro, so stay tuned. Boom, so people. With that Kiefer, getting ready to go out there and do the video shoot and photo shoot same time. Yo, check your fit there. Check your fit there, my father. Check your fit there, my father. You know, simple, but you know, how we do it. Going to the only part of Guyana that look Chinese, but am I a teacher? You know, photo shoot time, you know how we're doing it. Outside, outside. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Roach. We're going on. So, we're doing a photo shoot and video shoot today. The only part of Georgetown Guyana that actually look a little Chinese. A little reasonably Chinese. That's racist, so we cater for them, you know? Exactly. Let me show you a little glimpse of what's going on there. With it. It's clippy, boom, right? Yeah. Alright, gang. That's Mohammed's building himself. Tell you a funny story about this building just now we get to it, but yeah. We got a funny story about that actually. So funny story about this building right here. This building only go up this year, 2023, and this other building next to it is a Chinese building that nobody knows the owner for. But this is Mr. Mohammed. You know how we do it. He had to top it. I think the man like 4 or 5 stories tall. Big up yourself, Mohammed. All like right here. All right. I could see the working. Alright, people. About to start a video shoot, photo shoot type shit. Yeah, man. Alright, sorry about that. Alright. I'll stay tuned. Yeah, man. Look fresh. Check your feet then now. Careful. I know we forgot y'all or anything like that. Don't take it like that. Don't do it like that. It's not like the gang. Alright, bro. But the sun is nice and getting out. You can't deny it. Can't show y'all the squad right now because it's sun. But look. Actually, watch it. We're going that way when we finish. So we're just starting here for now. That's the normal afternoon in Georgetown, you know. Chill afternoon. Body, you know, either going home from work or vibing. But yeah. I don't know what we do with it. people going home from work. I don't know what it is. Hotter than a fire in the furnace. Oh, if it's somebody serve it. Alright. Let me see what they
Her eyes closed. Yeah, what's going on there? Not bad.
Yeah, I already know we. Alright, my turn. Hey, people wanna see what I go on? I feel my turn. Yeah, man. Quick, fast, simple. Is it? Is it? Are we going on somewhere? Another spliff in the book and the light. Oh, banana cheese, candlelight. I don't know what you talking to y'all and I misstepping your shit, but yeah, see what I do, y'all. Y'all don't forget to like or comment and subscribe, matter of fact. No, or and. There we go. You know we never lacking. You know we never lacking. What the bit? How the boy? It's a birdie. Oh, you ain't taking a wheel, you taking the woman with the green jersey, and that's the only distinctive thing about the woman. Yeah, stop it in the comments. Stop it in the comments, bro. Yeah, stop it in the comments. I said the woman green jersey. What color is your jersey, dog? Is who's though? Is it Martin? No. Similar though. Happy birthday from far. Yeah, I get you. Oh, buddy. Sorry.
You love content.
I got you.
Alright, good.
Bro, for a minute, I look like one of them stickman characters, like, you know, no outline and nothing. Hello, motherfucker. So then if I do something next to this pink shit, then look a little wrong, you know?
I don't know if you want to mix your
No, it look too little wrong, pink. You know?
I mean, it is October, this Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
No, I got this plimp-plum.
But this thing just...
This is plimp-plum this whole time, you know? Bro, you see, this is Guyana on a natural day. This is fruit. Stop. Oh,
that's a fruit?
Yeah. This is a fruit. This is a native fruit actually grown in Georgetown. It's called... I can get back to you up on the name of it, but it's actual fruit, you know? So, yeah. Yo, it's a nice afternoon, man. We just, you know, chilling. Alright, I'll get back to y'all next shot. Because I think we're getting closer and closer to infringing on this girl birthday shot. Actually, I ain't gonna cut you out.
We should be. Fuck our birthday.
Let me go. Do some blurring in the After Effects.
You gonna have to blur us out. This shit.
Photoshop, sorry. I know y'all gonna roast me. I said to myself and figure roast
I want the night scene for this one too, cause
when them lights come on, bro. Yeah, hey, big up yourself and big up yourself, auntie. Pick up. For right, he belt me, let me take it off. You know, Guyanese me really on that type, but you know. Y'all ready? We can go up on the tarmac over here. Look. That's why I fuck with you, because I fuck with your boy, you know? I was just there on with talking. Scott, pick up yourself. Pick up yourself. Bro, alright, let me take myself off of this and show you properly. What's the name? Kung Fu Panda?
Giving Kung Fu Panda.
Oh, it's giving Kung Fu Panda. Look at this, guys. Full Chinese type setup that we just catch up. Good outside. Let me go in and see what it look like anyway. So right there. Right. Simple setup, but you know, we inclusive. One people, one nation, and all of that Chinese.
Yeah, for real.
Hey. Kia Khalifa. That's a nice girl. Hey, happy birthday.
How y'all want it over here?
So, a little history about this pavilion. It was actually donated by the government of the People's Republic of China on the occasion of the 50th anniversary of the establishment of the diplomatic relations with the Cooperative Republic of Guyana. This is all memorized, by the way, not because it's on here. I know this by heart. I just, backing up. So this was like a gift from China to Guyana to celebrate our 50th anniversary. So yeah, that's how that went. On June 22nd, we have it in Chinese. I don't even know what to say in Chinese, but yeah. That's already there. Let me just sit there.
It's the lightning, but you ain't gotta speak about the light. I don't fix stuff.
Where did this nigga jump from, bro? You scared the fuck out of me just popping out to the bush like, yeah, I see the thing. Alright, good. He just... And poof, he gone. Oh, he coming. Okay, alright. If anybody could read Chinese and could tell me what they're saying, I'd be happy. And also the walls.
Hi.
I'll do the walls.
Do what y'all was just doing, looking at each other type shit. Type shit. Smile at them too. If you only smile, it's probably for you.
We blending with each other. In case y'all ain't seen, bro. In
Smile,
case y'all ain't seen, full you see what they say in Chinese? Y'all don't even gotta see that.
This is Vietnam.
Bro. I already know we kidding, bro. I come in and I just figured if you know, I mean, forget y'all, but we doing anything, we doing a little walk. So yeah, just hold on a little thing, right?
Which way is aim? This way?
Yeah, it did right here.
Oh, funny.
Yeah, everybody getting catch.
You see?
Everybody. Yeah, here though.
Hey, I do this.
If you don't mix his magic, it's a different M word.
I always do this.
Oh.
Oh.
There we go, man.
There we go. Alright. Alright. We game touring, yeah. Hey Keith. Keith. Which tree look like you in a strange action? No one even know this one. This tree. This one. So let me actually show you how the oldest tree in Georgetown. Right over here. Let me just. This right here is actually the oldest tree in Georgetown.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's, you know, well, it's, look, if y'all ain't able with this type of life, y'all don't come and visit Guyana. This is how we got in the park. This is how we come in.
Oh, what's the thing over there? We got
We could cross. We could cross under, or if we, you know, get it strong, we just run off and jump. This is what these bars is for, to give you the extra push.
Oh, shucks. If we all climb up this coconut tree,
It gon'
and
wave,
leave.
don't
Exactly.
fuck with physics,
Physics,
y'all.
for real.
That shit, bro.
Oh my god.
That's really ridiculous, bro. This is how much 2 hours of content. Chip up, me, I get 12 minutes. Bro, yeah, I don't see the sacrifices we go through to bring this shit to you, bro. I don't see the sacrifices.
Like that.
We're finna show y'all the second oldest tree in Georgetown in a minute too. Yeah, do it back. Now she walking and curling up yourself. On camera.
Catch that?
I got you on camera. Yeah, I got you walking funny. I didn't know it was a race. But
Nah, we was racing.
they don't think so.
No, it was a race.
All
Go
right.
to bed.
Mohammed.
Every time you walk like
Can you hear the song? Rich like Mohammed. Talk about money, he got it. Load it, can't use pocket. Yo, yeah, I never heard the song. Fuck him, I mean, I'm a buy. We go way back. But yeah, about to Georgetown at a location. I barely got battery left, so I ain't gonna show you the whole journey, but I think I want two clips. I ain't even know how much, you know, minutes up on the, but let me get it, we can show you how we're going at. Yeah, man. I get accustomed to bus and them type thing, you see, you know, on the camera, you're talking to yourself. If I didn't walk in, people do. But I still do it. It's like, I don't give up. You know, I don't give a scunt. YouTube don't even know about the word. this is like a little cheat for Guyanese, you know. We could cuss up and go on, but you understand? I didn't recognize that this real thing. So, welcome, Scott, everybody. You know, but we can get there when we get there. So.
And I was just saying this every day.
About 5 minutes to like battery left, yeah. We outside, but about to close it off here. Call it the night. You already know though, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. We out.